Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to add GIFs on your video in CapCut. Okay, make sure that you have prepared your video like this. And if you want to add GIF, you can click overlay on the bottom of your screen right here. Click overlay and then you can click add overlay, right? And then you can choose the GIF that has been available on your gallery. Okay, make sure that you have GIF that you want to add to your video, and I'm going to choose this GIF. Okay, and then we can click add right here. Click add. Okay, and now the GIFs have been added to your video, and you can adjust the GIF by click on the GIF. All right, and then you can adjust the length like this, and also this one. Oh, all right. Okay guys, that's the tutorial from me guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.